everyone. This is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josie. And today's video is a pasta and shrimp recipe video. I am so excited to be sharing with you, ladies and gentlemen, this pasta and shrimp recipe video. And of course, this video is all about pasta and it's all about shrimp. And of course, those two together are simply divine, okay? Especially when it comes to recipes. And this is a recipe that I have just put together. I actually invented this recipe, and I have been thinking about this recipe for a very long time, and I really been wanting to share it with all of you. And I know that some of you have requested for me to do cooking videos, and so this video is going to be part of a brand new series that I started in this channel, which is called Cooking with Josephine. And I am excited about this series because it's basically my chance to share with all of you all of the wonderful recipes that I have learned from my mom, and also some of the recipes that I have developed as well. And so I am just excited, and also it's a way for me to cook, and it's a way for me to share my other passion, which is cooking, in this channel. So again, I'm really excited about this series. Now, before I get into all of the details of the pasta dish, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. And if you are into tablescapes and gardening and home decor and how to entertain at home, definitely subscribe to my channel. It is free. And of course, if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And once you subscribe to my channel, there's this little bell right next to the subscription button. Just click on the bell and click on the word all, so that way you'll get a notification when I upload new videos on my channel. And I do post new videos every Sunday. And also, if I have time throughout the week, I also post new videos. That is the reason why it is so important to click on that notification bell, so that way you'll know when I post new videos on my channel. So ladies and gentlemen, this pasta dish is simply divine. It is delicious. It is easy to make, and it's a light dish, and it's the perfect dish for a light dinner or a light lunch, or even a side dish as well. And it's a dish that have lots of flavor. And of course, I love having recipes and making recipes that have lots of flavor in them. And it is a dish that I would highly recommend. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and share all of the details of this wonderful recipe. Okay, everyone, so here are all of the ingredients that I have in front of me right here, and I'm just gonna go over all of the ingredients. So the first ingredient that I'm gonna be sharing, of course, is the shrimp and the carrots. So what I did was I got some shrimp from the frozen aisle at Walmart, and this is the extra small shrimp, and I added 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I cooked the shrimp for about 3 to 5 minutes because the shrimp is already cooked already. But I really wanted the spices to really blend in with the shrimp. And so I did that. And then the next thing I did was I chopped up 2 carrots and cooked the carrots for about maybe a half a minute to a minute. I still wanted the carrots to have a little bit of a crunch. And so I just cooked them very, very lightly in low heat, because again, I did not want the carrots to be too cooked. I did not want them to be too soft. And so I wanted them to be tender, but I also did not want them to be too soft. Okay, so I cooked them for about a half a minute to a minute. And this is what I have right here. So now what I am going to do is I am going to go ahead and add 1 pound of the penne pasta that is already cooked already, and I cooked it al dente. And this is 1 pound, and this is the wheat pasta. Now, if you don't really like wheat pasta, you can use regular pasta, but I'm actually using wheat pasta. And I am going to be adding all of the pasta in here. Okay. All right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the mayonnaise. Okay, so now what I've done is I added 1.5 cup of mayonnaise in here, okay, and I am going to go ahead and add all of the spices. And so here are the spices that I'm using for this pasta dish. So I have 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, and I also have 1 teaspoon of Old Bay, and I have 1 teaspoon of the Creole seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of the Lawry's seasoning, which is the salt seasoning, which is this one right here. I also have 2 teaspoons of onion powder and 3 teaspoons of dry chives, and also 2 teaspoons of black pepper. And I am going to be adding all of that into the bowl with the pasta and the mayonnaise and the shrimp. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to add the juice of a half of a lemon. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix all of it up. Okay, so now I have mixed the pasta with the shrimp and the mayonnaise and the lemon juice and the seasoning and also the carrots. And so now what I'm going to do is I am going to add some chopped onions, green onions, and also celery. So I have 2 stalks of celery in here, and also half of a large onion in here, and I also have 2 green onions. And I am just going to go ahead and add that to the pasta dish. And now what I'm going to do is just mix everything up. Now, the other ingredient that I'm going to be adding is 1 extra carrot, but this time I grated the carrot really fine, okay? And I'm just going to go ahead and add it into the pasta dish. And then I am going to go ahead and add some peppercorn into the dish. Okay. And that will give it a very, very nice flavor. I would say maybe 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up. Okay, so everything is all mixed up, and I did not add any salt, but of course, if you eat salt, you can definitely add salt to this wonderful pasta dish. And this is one of those dishes that is just wonderful for any time of the year and is quick and it is easy to make. Okay, everyone. So now I am going to go ahead and taste this wonderful pasta dish, and I cannot wait for me to taste it. Now, this is a dish that is easy to make, as you can see when I was putting everything together. It didn't really take that long, and I'm really excited to taste the shrimp, the celery, the onion, the chives, and also that Old Bay seasoning with the lemon juice and the smoked paprika, the black pepper, and the peppercorn. I am just really, really excited to taste this pasta dish. Now, I am going to be drinking some Earl Grey tea, and I am going to go ahead and taste this. So I'm going to take some pasta and also some carrots and some celery and some green onion and also some shrimp and some onions as well. And so now I am going to go ahead and taste it. Mmm. Wow. It tastes really, really, really good. I can taste the shrimp. I can taste the lemon juice, and the mayonnaise, of course, makes it really, really smooth and creamy. And the carrots gives it that crunch, and also the celery and also the onions as well. And this is a very, very light dish and is perfect for lunch and is perfect for dinner as well. Okay, everyone, so I hope that you enjoyed today's video, which is a brand new series that I'm starting in this channel, which is called Cooking with Josephine, where I basically do some recipes and share some recipes with all of you. And I know that a lot of you wanted me to do cooking videos in this channel, and I am just so excited to do cooking videos in this channel because I love to cook. And so I have many more recipes that I would love to share with all of you. Now, of course, this pasta dish is a very light dish, and like I have mentioned, it is perfect for dinner. It is also perfect for a light lunch. So if you want to have a light dinner or a light lunch, it is perfect for that. But it is also perfect as a side dish as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, this pasta and shrimp video, Cooking with Josephine. And I'll be doing more cooking videos. And of course, I'll continue to do more tablescape videos, more gardening videos, more home decor videos, and more how to entertain at home videos. And of course, I do want to mention that I do have Instagram, and I also have an Amazon store, and I am also on Facebook, so you can definitely join my Facebook group. And also, I do have another YouTube channel that you can follow me on if you are into fashion and style. I'm going to be leaving all of my social media links down below in the description box. And of course, like I mentioned, I'll continue to do recipes in this channel because I know that a lot of you have requested for me to do cooking videos, and I'm just really excited about this recipe. Definitely give it a try. It is divine and it is delicious, and it's just one of those recipes that you could just throw together if you are having some friends and family coming over last minute and you don't really know what to cook. This is a really easy, simple recipe and it is delicious. Okay, so that is it, and bye bye, and God bless.